In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off the Apple Maps Raise to View feature for directions on an iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max, or any later models. This capability is quite handy for those who appreciate a seamless navigation experience, as it utilizes augmented reality to enhance walking directions. Let's dive straight into the process. To begin with, make sure you have your iPhone at the ready and start by opening the Settings app. This is your go-to hub for adjusting any feature on your device, providing access to a plethora of options to tailor your experience. Next, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you spot the Apps section. This grouping is where your phone organizes specific settings for all the apps you have installed. Within Apps, locate and tap on Maps. This will lead you to the settings specifically tailored to the Maps app, allowing you to tweak them according to your preference. Now once you're inside the map settings, look for the section labelled Walking. This option is situated below the destination settings and is particularly relevant because Raise to View is designed to enhance your walking directions with augmented reality. Tap on Walking to proceed. At this step, you will see the Raise to View toggle switch. This feature allows your device to automatically display turn-by-turn directions by layering them over what you see in the real world when you raise your phone. Simply tap this toggle switch to turn it on or off, according to your preference. When enabled, it adds a layer of convenience and interactivity by utilizing your phone's sensors to detect when it's raised, and overlay directions onto your view of the street. Now, with Raise to View turned on, imagine yourself on a stroll through the city, and all you have to do is raise your phone to your eye level. Instantly, the directions you need appear as though they are integrated into your surroundings. It's an incredible feature that merges digital information with the physical world, helping you find your way more naturally. Consequently, you are sure to appreciate this smart, hands-free way of navigating busy streets. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to toggle the Raise to View feature for Apple Maps navigation on your iPhone. Remember that this only applies to walking directions, making it a fantastic asset for those who frequently walk through urban areas. If you ever feel the need to turn it off, simply revisit these steps and adjust the toggle switch again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this enhances your traveling experience using Apple Maps.